Hello everyone.
Happy December 8th. Today we celebrate Brownies, time travel imagination, and Bodhi Day. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Brownie Day, a fudgy celebration of chocolate bliss. A great gift could be a brownie mix kit, a gourmet brownie box, or a brownie-scented candle. What's your brownie style? Let's bake the comments. It's Pretend to be a Time Traveler Day. A playful nod to imagination and history. A thoughtful gift could be a time travel novel, a retro costume accessory, or a sci-fi movie marathon kit. Where would you travel? Let's hop in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 17 days away, and the holiday clock is ticking louder. It's Bodhi Day, a spiritual celebration of enlightenment and reflection. A sweet gift could be a meditation cushion, a mindfulness journal, or a calming incense set. How do you find peace? Let's reflect in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 6th to 10th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.